A person's overall health and fitness and wellness, it all depends on how he chooses to live his life. And we all know the importance of healthy living. Healthy living, it strengthens your immune system and help you stay fit, which also helps you to prevent diseases. There are basic habits which you should adapt in your daily routine, which will help you improve your entire lifestyle. Hello everyone, I am Nikhil, I am Men's Image Consultant. Welcome to another video from Bravo Man. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon below. Please do follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant, and my Instagram page is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. Please guys, do follow me and let's get in the video. Today's video, I'm going to share the 5 basic habits which you should adapt and inculcate in your daily routine, which will help you in improving your daily lifestyle. So stay tuned. Number 1 and the most important habit is exercising regularly. In nowadays time, being physically active is the key. It is really very important. I keep on repeating myself again that exercising is the key for everything. For you to have a healthy lifestyle, exercise is a must. We all know the fact that exercising regularly, it helps in overall physical development of your body. Do a combination of exercises. It might be exercising in the gym or going for a run, or it might be playing outdoor games. It is really important for your overall body development. If you really need to have a healthy lifestyle, exercising is the key. Number 2 is managing your stress levels. Too much of a stress is really very harmful for your mental wellness, for your mental health. And if you take too much of stress, that will also apparently will start reflecting on your physical health, and your physical health will start deteriorating. You must learn how to calm your anxiety and how to uplift your mood. And we all know to manage your stress levels, the only better way is exercising, and the other most important thing is practicing yoga or meditation. There is no second way to reduce your stress unless and until if you can't calm yourself down, you will always be mentally troubled, and a mentally troubled mind will certainly be a devastation. So it is really important, guys. Focus on yourself, to calm yourself, to soothe yourself down, and meditation is the best way. Practice yoga, and the other part is your exercise. That will also help you to keep your stress at the bay. Number 3 is your breakfast. Yes, it's a humble request to everyone out there. Never ever start your day without having a good breakfast. Your breakfast is the key, because your first meal of your day is the most important meal of your entire day, and for your body as well, because your body absorbs the maximum vitamins, minerals, the nutritional value from that particular meal as compared to the other meals of your day. So never ever start your day with empty stomach. Always have a sumptuous, a good healthy breakfast that will give you the proper fuel to keep yourself pumped up for the entire day. If your goal is to have a healthy lifestyle, do not skip your breakfast ever. Number 4 and the other most important thing for your healthy lifestyle is your sleep. Never take your sleep lightly. Your sleeping pattern decides your mood and your health. If you have a bad sleeping pattern, that will make you lousy and pathetic, and you will be super agitated and irritated for all throughout the day. And a bad sleep pattern will not only affect your mental health, but it will also affect your physical health. So for a good and a healthy lifestyle, a sleep is at most important. And that is, we all know that 7 to 8 hours of sleep, a body needs it. It's a mandate. And last but not least, number 5 and the most important thing is eat healthy. You know, it's a relativity theory. To stay healthy, you must eat healthy. If you eat junk, you're gonna be complete waste. So it is really important to understand what you put in your stomach, because every food counts whatever you eat, it really counts. To ensure a smooth functioning of your body and mind, it is really important to pay attention towards your diet. And we all know that a balanced diet provides a proper nutritional value to your body which it requires on day-to-day basis. So focusing on your diet is really important. Remember, a healthy habit can really take you a long way. If you really want your body to function in the right way, if you really want to live a good and a healthy lifestyle, these 5 basic points are never to be neglected at all. You have to focus on these 5 basic points. And the another most important thing, which is consistency. Guys, consistency is the key to your success and to your healthy life. If you are not consistent enough, everything is gonna be a complete waste. It's gonna be just down the drain. So be consistent in what you do. Log these 5 things for your amazing healthy lifestyle. Small things now brings a major change in future. So log these 5 things in. You will never ever go wrong with leading to a healthy lifestyle. So I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family. And I really love to see you in my next video. Till then, look great, feel fantastic, and please stay healthy and lead a healthy lifestyle. Ciao.